The Spring Festival. My favorite festival is the Spring Festival. 我最喜欢的节日 favorite 相当于 like something best. And it usually comes in February. During the Spring Festival, we have a lot of interesting things to do and nice food to eat. During 是指在什么什么期间 A lot of 后面既可以加可数名词的复数形式，也可以加不可数名词，表示许多、大量。In particular, 特别的 we can get some presents. Whenever they are, our relatives will come back home. 不论在哪里，他们在那一天都会回到家中。And we have a get-together, making dumplings, enjoying ourselves. I regard the Spring Festival as a break from my studies. Regard something as 就是把什么什么当做什么什么。我把春节当作学习之外的轻松一刻。It makes me feel more excited than usual. 它使我比平时感到更加的兴奋。你的春节是什么样子的呢？评论区下方告诉小雅老师吧。